Hello. In this video, I will discuss common mistakes beginners make when creating a header. Everyone makes these mistakes at the beginning of their journey. So grab a cup of aromatic coffee or tea, and let's started. It is recommended to make the logo in the header a link to the main or welcome page, even though the navigation menu includes a home item. For non-touch screens, it is advisable to add a hover effect to the logo. Using scale may not be the best option, since not all browsers in their older versions handle this CSS property effectively. As a result, the animation may appear jerky, or the logo could become blurred, which should be avoided as the logo is crucial for brand recognition. Instead, consider using effects like outline, box shadow, text shadow, or other subtle animations for a more polished appearance. It's beneficial for the burger menu icon to differ visually between the closed and open states, ensuring that its appearance is intuitively clear. Be user-friendly. Utilize the hover pseudo class. A subtle underline will indicate that this is clickable, and something will happen. Ensure to specify cursor pointer for all interactive site elements. It is considered bad practice to allow scrolling on the entire site while the menu is open. When the menu is open, scrolling should only be permitted within the menu itself. This way, users can easily return to the exact spot on the page where the menu was opened, or navigate to the desired section by selecting the appropriate menu item. An error when a menu remains open after clicking on one of its items. If the background is not transparent, users may not realize whether the transition has taken place. It's always a pleasant experience when clicking a desired menu item takes you to the correct location, without requiring any additional steps to achieve the desired result. The next item will be a menu that does not cover the entire viewing window when opened. Blocking page scrolling in this case can be considered a bad practice. However, it is important to ensure that the menu automatically closes when the user begins to scroll the page. Thank you for your views and subscriptions. You are the best because you are learning. That's all for today. See you later.